discussing about the topic of 8th class friction second lesson. Now already we have to listen to the first chapter, fourth chapter. Now this is one of the mechanics part. Now children, you have to observe that what is meant by force. A force is nothing but a push or a pull of an object is called force. Children, what is the SI unit of force? Newton. Another unit, kilogram meter square second inverse square. Kilogram meter second inverse square. Kilogram meter second inverse square. That is the SI unit. In CG system, gram centimeter second inverse square. Now children, force is a physical quantity. That physical quantity tries to change its state of rest or uniform motion. Children, you have to observe that without the force, the body position does not change. For suppose, what is the cause of their motion of object? The force is a cause of their motion. Children, listen to me. What is the cause of their motion? Force is a cause of motion. Children, you have to observe that the force is generally sometimes is the like field force and contact force. Forces sometimes is there, field forces and contact forces. Nowadays we have to observe that in the present in lesson, frictional force. The frictional force is a contact force. In a contact force means a compulsory the body or object which is compulsory contact with each other. A compulsory contact with each other. The arises in between these two surfaces, which is a frictional force is occurred. Field forces does not touch with each other. Contact forces only touch with each other by compulsory contact with each other. That forces are called frictional forces or contact forces. Now, contact forces is nothing but here one of the frictional forces. Normal forces also there. Normal forces are also frictional forces. Children, what is the frictional forces? We have to observe that in the frictional forces. What is the need of the frictional forces in our daily life? I can walk on the road. I can walk on the road, on surface of the road. We have to walk. What is the reason? Our feet, our foot, and floor, our road, both surfaces are contact with each other. Foot surface and floor surface are the two surfaces are contact with each other, which are contact parallel with each other. Here is one surface, this is the other surface. Both two surfaces are parallel contact with each other, and the relative motion between them. The relative motion. These two surfaces are parallel contact. These two surfaces are parallel contact, and the relative motion between these two surfaces is called frictional force. Children, what is meant by frictional forces? The frictional force is nothing but any two surfaces are contact parallel with each other, and the motion is relative to with each other. And the motion is relative to with each other. Is called frictional forces. Now, what is meant by normal forces? Normal forces is nothing but any two surfaces are contact perpendicular to with each other. Listen to the children. For suppose, this is the one of the horizontal surface. This is the other vertical surface. These two are contact with each other, but with the normal contact with each other. This plane surfaces is contact perpendicular to with each other. This plane surface, this contact surface contact perpendicular to with each other. That is normal forces. So normal forces is one of the frictional force. So children, the units are same during the frictional force. Force and friction with the units are same. In SI system is Newton. Another one is kilogram meter second inverse square. Kilogram meter second inverse square. CG system gram centimeter second inverse square. Now children, here the force is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity and friction is a vector quantity, which is a directional quantities. We have to observe that. Here, I can walk on the road. I can write on the board with the helping of the chalk piece. I can write the letters on the board with the helping of the friction. The chalk piece and the board, a compulsory required contact is required. If the contact is required, the force is called one of the contact force. This contact force is nothing but frictional force. Children, our fingers, if it touches to the chalk piece, the need of some force, that force is called frictional force. You have to observe the children. For suppose, you have to observe that in our daily life, like Mr. centers, thumb scanners also observe that. Our thumb, some fingers is there. If you had observed that, a compulsory scan on the machine. Here some friction is there, so scan easily possible. For suppose, what is meant by friction, children? Which opposes the relative motion of a body. That means two surfaces are contacted with each other. These two surfaces are having relative motion is occurring, which opposes the relative motion of a body. Which opposes the relative motion of a body is called frictional force. These frictional forces, they cause us to sometimes they increase the motion, sometimes they decrease the motion. Children, we have to observe that. For suppose, if you have to placing of the any banana piece, you have placing on the floor. If you have to touches the banana and what you have to observe that the motion is increases occur. For suppose, if you have to placing on the surface like a shampoo water and detergent powder, we have to observe that. We have to walk on the surface of this floor. What we have to observe that our motion is increases. Did you understand, children? For suppose a small stone or small ball or sphere which is thrown on the surface of the floor, what we have to observe that? For suppose this floor is should be taken as smooth surface, the sphere will be motion is increases. The surface is smooth surface or polished surface. The motion of the sphere is increases. This floor surface is sandy surface. Do you have to throwing of any sphere? The motion is decreases. So what you have to observe that, children? Sometimes the motion is increases, sometimes decreases the motion. This is the cause of the friction. Without friction, we cannot survive on the surface of the earth surface. If you standing on the earth surface, certain friction is there, so it causes to if you walk on the surface. Same person had observed that on moon side, he easily walk up the surface of the moon. Is it possibility? Children, there is no requirement. Reason is there is no atmosphere, there is no friction is occur on the moon surface. Only friction is occur on the earth surfaces. So he will walk on easily. So children, this is our the another example is there. If you had observed that a block, A block is placed on the surface of the floor. A block is placing on the surface of the floor. This is the block. If you have to observe the children, for suppose this block is, if you have to pull the block with applying of external force. To pull the block with external force. The block will be moved to certain place, and after that the block will be comes to rest. What is the reason to stopping of the block? Here cause is against the force direction. The frictional force is acting on it. The block is should be at rest. The block is at rest. So we are applying of the block frictional force. The block it will be moved from one place to this place, and after that the block it will become at rest. Here, what are the forces are acting on it? Applied force, here frictional force acting on it. Here, if you have to observe the children, certain distances they will be moved here. Certain distances is moved here. So it causes to frictional force is acting on opposite to each other. So the block it will be comes to rest. Children, if you have to observe here, another example is that in a moving vehicle or moving van, this is the one of the road surface, horizontal surface. A force is applied on the accelerator. The object is moved forward direction, and vehicle moves certain distance. After that, it comes to a rest. What is the reason? Here, applied force direction, the bus moves forward, and against direction, certain friction is there. Certain friction is there between the floor and the wheels of the vehicle. So to stop the vehicle, it causes to certain frictional forces acting on it. The frictional force is against to the applied force direction. Whenever the applied force is equal to the frictional force, the bus or vehicle it will be stopped. It will be stopped. Children, if you observe that FBD diagram, free body diagram. Free body diagram. In a free body diagram, if you have to observe that any block, in a block, we contact and the flow a surface. Here, center of the block to upper direction or vertical. This is normal forces are having acting on it. Center of the block to down, it will be acting as gravitational force or gravitational wave is acting on it. That is W is equal to mg. Children, you have to observe that normal force is equal to gravitational weight. Gravitational weight and gravitational force, the force which is experienced by the gravity is called gravitational force. Here, applied force. Applied force is equal to the frictional force. Applied force direction which is against to the frictional force. The directions are having opposite here. The block still at rest position. When applied force is equal to frictional force, the block is does not in motion. During this is the forces are having horizontally acting on it. Horizontally acting on it, the block it will be at rest. Normal force is equal to gravitational weight. So N is equal to W. That means N minus W is equal to 0. This is the vertical direction. The force will be 0. The vertical position, the block is at rest. Your vertical position block is at rest. Horizontal position block is at rest. Causes frictional force is equal to applied force, and normal force is equal to gravitational direct. So if you have to observe the children, applied force is equal to frictional force, that is equal to nu suffix s into n. That means generally F is directly proportional to normal force. Now normal force is equal to, suppose S is equal to nu suffix s into n. Nu suffix s means what? The coefficient of static friction. The coefficient of static friction. Why static friction? The flux is at rest position. That is statistically at rest position. So that is coefficient of static friction. That is equal to F suffix s by n. F suffix s means what? Static friction force. N means normal force. Nu suffix s means coefficient of static friction. What is meant by coefficient of static friction? The coefficient of static friction means this is directly proportional to or is equal to, it is the fraction of applied force to the normal force, or static frictional force to the normal force, which is called coefficient of static friction. Here the coefficient of static friction, which is always less compared to kinetic friction and roller friction. Listen to the children. Static friction decreases means applied force is more. Applied force is more means static coefficient is decreases. So if you have to observe that. Now children, types of frictions. How many types of frictions are there here? Generally two types. One is static frictional force, another one is sliding frictional force. A static frictional force, it means that the body is at rest position. A body which is at rest position, that is called static frictional force. Listen to me, children. It's just ready to move but not in motion condition. It's just ready to move but not in motion. That is static frictional force. Whenever the body which is in motion, the maximum limiting force or maximum limiting frictional force is applied on it, but the body is not in motion. Maximum force is applied, they convert it into slide. So another one is sliding friction. A body is in motion, the type of friction is called sliding friction. Sliding friction's examples is kinetic friction. F suffix k is a kinetic friction. F suffix rolling frictions. These are the sliding frictions examples. For suppose kinetic friction or rolling friction. Static friction is only for example of static friction. For example, here static friction, I can explain with example. Children, this is the one of the block. In a block is applied force is acting on it. How many newtons of force is applied first? For suppose 1 Newton force is applied on the block. The block it will be in motion or not. In a static frictional condition, the block does not in motion. That means against direction, how much frictional force is acting on it. Applied force is 1 Newton force is applied. Block does not in motion, which against direction, how much frictional force is acting on it. 1 Newton, 2 Newton, 3 Newton. 1 Newton force is acting on it. For suppose children, applied force is 2 Newtons is applied. The block does not in motion. How much frictional force is acting on it? 2 Newton force is acting on it. The block does not in motion. For applied force 3 Newtons is applied. Frictional force is 3 Newtons are having applied. The block does not in motion. That means here the static frictional force is acting on it. For suppose children, applied force is F is equal to 2 Newtons. Frictional force is 1 Newton. The block is in motion or not. Applied force is 2 Newton. Frictional force is 1 Newton. The block is in motion or not. the block is in motion. Why? Here, applied force is equal to normal forces or pressure force equal. For suppose the coefficient of friction U is equal to 1. The coefficient of friction is 1. Coefficient of static is 1. For suppose F is equal to nu suffix s in here. Nu suffix s means what? 1. And F is equal to 1. What will be happening here? What will be happening? First suppose applied force is more, frictional force is less. The block will be, what will be happening? The block is in motion. Applied force is equal to frictional force. The block does not in motion. That means static frictional force is acting on it. Now let's look here. F suffix s is greater to F suffix k is greater to F suffix r. This is the static frictional force, kinetic frictional force, rolling frictional force. Observe the children. F suffix s is greater compared to kinetic friction. That means static friction is more. That means the body does not in motion. That means there is not motion. Next one, kinetic friction. Kinetic friction is more. It means static friction is more. Which one is greater here? Children, F suffix s, static frictional force is greater. F suffix k is less. That means the body is at rest position. I have to static friction is greater. Frictional, static frictional force is greater comparison to kinetic friction. So body does not in motion. The body does not in motion. Did you understand, children? Now F suffix k is greater comparison to rolling. That means just in motion, not rolling. Did you understand, children? So these are the best examples. Another one is nu suffix s is less to nu suffix k is less to nu suffix r. This is the coefficient of static friction is less, and nu suffix k is the coefficient of kinetic friction, which is less to the coefficient of rolling friction. So children, if you have to read these questions under this chapter, this is a very, very important topics during the IITs also. So further explanation I have to explain the next class, children. Thank you very much.